Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are going to just jump right into one of my favorite recipes. I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk bread. We're making the buttermilk bread in a bread machine, but while it's baking, I'm going to tell you how to make it if you don't have a bread machine. The reason I have one is my husband loves bread, so I got him this machine for Christmas one year. I think it's a fair gift because what I make in it makes him very happy. So, okay, here's what you'll need to make your bread. 1 1/4 cups of warm buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, not active dry. With your dough paddle in place, add your ingredients to your bread machine according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place your insert into the machine, select your basic setting for a 2-pound loaf with a light crust. When all the ingredients have been incorporated, wet into dry, I always open the lid and just scrape the corners to make sure there are no leftover flour pockets. Then I close it back up and let it continue with its cycle. All right, so while this is doing its thing, let me tell you how to make it if you don't have a bread machine. Combine all the ingredients and knead it for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it rest for about half an hour. It will rise. Knead it again, just for a couple of minutes. Put it in your loaf pan. Let it rise again for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then bake it in a preheated 350 oven for 45 minutes. That's it. When the bread is done, immediately release it from the insert and then cool it on a wire rack. So here she is. If you're lucky, when you take the bread out of the insert, the paddle will stay in the insert. I was not so lucky. So we are, see, it's in there. And when you first take the loaf out, that paddle is super hot. Don't even attempt to take it out. I just work my way in with my finger because I don't want to scratch it, so I don't go in there with a fork or a knife. And I just pop it out. Not terrible. Now, you can open the machine after the second kneading and take it out then. I don't bother because it's so easy to get it out. All right, just take a look at this. Here, let me step aside so you can get a good look. Nothing beats a fresh, delicious loaf of bread. It makes the whole house smell good, makes your mouth water while it's baking. Now, I like to cut it. I'm not using a bread knife because I don't know. I don't have that much luck with a bread knife. I'm using a thin carving knife. I'm just gonna go down. I mean, the benefit of a bread knife is that it's long. So you can get it in one go, but I've got to do it twice. All right. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. This is incredible for sandwiches. If you like, you can make a couple of slices and leave it out overnight, and then in the morning, use it to make French toast. It is out of this world. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. I always respond to your comments because I love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.